Campfire audio has been generous to me lately. After some lack of communication, they have been generous to me and they have been sending me a few of their goodies. And this is the most expensive one that I have received from them, the Ara. It is supposed to be an upgrade to the also famous Andromeda, and this one house has two more drivers, seven drivers. It has four for bass, two for highs, one for mid, and is supposed to be the IM to get if you want the resolution and details part here. Slightly different color than all the rest. The sticker is deep brown here. I am not very good with this type of things, but yeah, this is not the best way to package something because this will get ruined, but this is a great way to keep things authentic because once you see this seal is broken, then you are sure that no, this thing is not new. Nevertheless, exactly same package. Campfire audio, nice. Campfire audio, exactly same package as the Dorado, Satsuma, Honeydew, no differences whatsoever. But here the carry pouch is more premium. This is not leather. I thought for a minute, I thought this is leather, but I do not think this is leather. Same, exactly same kind of packaging and stuff, no differences whatsoever. Come on, come on. This is the campfire design. This design that has been copied by KZ2. This is titanium shell, to be precise. Titanium here, no cheap material. But then again, look at this cable. This does not look like a cable that should be shipping with her $1,300 IM. Nevertheless, just for the sake of it, what are these things? These are some instruction, fit guide, warranty claim. Okay, that's okay, perfectly fine. Just for the sake of checking that we have all the accessories here, I'll go through this. Five pair of final audio tips, a cuffling or badge or whatever you would like to call this. I'm not exactly sure the use of that. Why the small ones are on the outer side? And we are supposed to have some whiteboard, three pair of whiteboard tips here, whiteboard tips, and three pair of foam tips here, bullets, foam tips. So exactly same set of accessories when it comes to all these IMs, the cleaning tool and the final typey brochure for their ear tips. Nothing exactly different at all. So I'm not exactly sure what message this sends to the users, those who pay around six times more are being treated with the same set of accessories as those who are paying six times less. It's kind of not okay in my in my dictionary, it's in my theory, it's not exactly right, but that's what Campfire has been doing, and they are doing well. No one is complaining. I do not see a lot of complaints about that. But yeah, I will be raising some concern about it. They should either upgrade the set of accessories, or should upgrade the cable at least. If not the accessories, accessories are good. This pouch is good, uh, comfortable enough, very comfortable. But they should at least upgrade the cable, make some distinction. Yeah, they want to sell the cables separately, but make an effort, guys. Come on. You are a world renowned brand, Campfire Audio, ALO Campfire Audio. So you guys can do better. Looks exactly like the ZS5 I had couple of years ago. They copied from the Campfire Audio, no doubts about that. But exactly same design, very similar. So that's it. This is the unboxing of Campfire Audio Ara. I'll be comparing it with Visioneer's Eve 20 and V6XE soon. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day. Enjoy.